Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Widya Stutihabi, 5th semester student, Chemistry Education Study Program. Here I will explain about synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Title: Synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Objective: Study the synthesis of calcium sulfate limestone. Literature review: Calcium carbonate are one of the most abundant minerals in the Earth's crust. They occur in the form of limestone and calc, formed from fossils, and marble, formed from the metamorphosis of sedimentary rock. Calcium sulfate is one of several sulfate scales and is also called gypsum. Like it can form either as a result of mixing dissimilar water or natural as a result of change in the temperature as the water travels from the subsurface to the surface treating facility. Method: Experimental tools and materials. Point A. Tools name. 1 category: evaporation cup, measuring flask, drop pipette, sieve, beaker glass, Erlenmeyer, test tube, spatula, mortar, analytical balance, wedge glass, spray bottle, glass stirrer, reagent bottle. 2 category: oven, foam hood, distillation apparatus, analytical balance, furnace, vacuum filter. Point B. Materials names: limestone, chloric acid, aqueous, potassium titanate, sulfuric acid, natrium carbonate, nitric acid, sodium oxalate. Experimental work scheme: smooth limestone and then sifting, weighing 2.0 grams of already crushed limestone once smooth. Approximate mass: heat in the furnace at 9 Celsius for 1 hour. Soak powder pentanuran result with 50 ml aqueous, 2005 ml of 1 m HCl for 15 minutes while stirring. Concentrated aqueous solution by means of heat or vaporized solution not to precipitate is formed. When formed, stop heating and add aqueous drop until the horse anymore. Add drop by drop 1 m H2SO4 while stirring until it formed a solid wheel. Filter the sediment that formed and then pat dry. Qualitative text: first, dissolving solid CaSO4 in 2000 ml sulfuric acid solution. Second, add 3 drops of 1 m KSCN. Result and discussion. Result: treatment weighed out 2 grams of polished limestone. Observation: limestone in the shape of a powder. Heating treatment: heating in a furnace 9 Celsius derajat Celsius for a hour. Observation with limestone dust. Treatment: soaking 50 ml of Aqua-Dash and 2005 ml of HCl 1 for minutes while stirring. Observation: a bright gray solution. Treatment: filter solution. Observation: filter clear color residue light gray. Treatment: deafening by evaporation kept sheet formed on the wheat. Observation: solution is colorless. Treatment: adding by drops H2SO for while sitting until formed on the wheat. Observation: wheat deposit forming. Treatment: mentoring a sedimentary plant. Observation: filtrate clear color residue wheat. Treatment: draining the boiled up. Observation: wheat heavy. Treatment: weighed in on being formed. Observation: heavy solids 0.6912. Qualitative test. First, resolve a few synthesis solid in H2SO4 and a few drops of KSCN 1M. Dissolved solid and solution become pink. Second, dissolving little solid by 10 ml HNO3 1M and a few drops of Na2CO3 1M. Dissolved solid and clear color solution with bubbles. Discussion. This experiment involved several steps, including the following steps of sampling: preparation, synthesis, and qualitative tests. The experiment process of taking sample or limestone sample was taken near the river, the village of Bullit, West City of Gorontalo. Sampling 1. The preparation step begins with crushing the limestone first so that the hot limestone evaporates easily. Then it is sifted. Being heated, 2 grams of limestone dissolved by 50 ml Aqua-Dash and 2005 ml HCl 1M. Mixing continues for 10 minutes. Then the extract sludge and the filtrate. It is concentrated by evaporation, but it does not deposit form. Then the filtrate is added with H2SO4 1M until a wheel deposit is formed. This wheel sludge that formed is calcium sulfate. Sediment rain and weighing are produced 0.6912 grams weight of sediment. To the first quantitative test, adding a few drops from H2SO4 and 10 ml KSCN 1 m. Solution from wheat to pink wheat seed. While in second quantitative test, adding 10 ml of HNO3 solution 1 m and 5-10 drops Na2CO3 1 m of bubbles. Conclusion. Based on the experiment carried out, it can be concluded that first, limestone is used in making calcium sulfate because calcium levels on limestone are very high. Second, taking the weight of the CaSO4 531,279. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.